How to blur background in Adobe Lightroom. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can blur background in Adobe Lightroom. If you find this video helpful, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up. So let's go ahead. First of all, log in into your Adobe Lightroom application, and then once you're logged in on the Lightroom's page, you would see all of your edited photos displayed. Then the next step would be for you to click on the add photos icon at the bottom part of the screen so that you can select the next image you would like to work with. After selecting the image, click the add icon. So once you've done that, select the image again, then go ahead to start your editing process. Now, in order to blur the background of this particular image, you have to be a premium user. There are certain features that are not available to free users of the Lightroom app. So, to blur this background, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons like actions, presets, crop, edit, maxing, remove. So you'd have to click on maxing, and then if you've subscribed to the premium version, on the maxing page, you would see the option for you to select objects, that is the objects that you want to stand out. Then tap the invert icon to select the background instead. Alright, since you're trying to blur out the background, tap the invert icon. Then after doing that, go to the effects tab, which is under the crop panel. Which is under the editing panel. Alright, so click on the effects tab and then lower the texture of the image, of the major image, lower the clarity, and then the haze to blur the background. Then after that, use the brush tool to subtract areas you don't want blurred. Also, to use this brush tool, you have to be a premium user. So use the brush tool, which is under the max panel. Use it to subtract areas you don't want blurred. Fine tune until the background looks soft and dreamy, as you can see here. So once it looks soft and dreamy, your background has been blurred successfully, and that is how to do it. So once you're done, move to the top right corner of the screen, click the share icon, select export as, add the necessary edits, move to the top right corner, click on the tick icon, and you're good to go. So this is how to blur background in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.